Welcome to our vibrant journey through the world of colorful toilets. Remember the bold trends of the 80s? They're back and making a splash in 2025. Today, we celebrate the bathroom as a sanctuary of self-expression. We're exploring the most eye-catching toilets to transform your bathroom from drab to fab. So buckle up and get ready to be inspired, because life's too short for a boring bathroom. Wouldn't you agree? Our first stop is this gorgeous sunshine yellow toilet. Imagine waking up to this cheerful hue every morning. It's like a burst of sunshine right there in your bathroom. Yellow evokes happiness, optimism, and energy, perfect for starting your day with a clear mind and a sunny disposition. So, why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Next, we're diving into the deep blue with this stunning toilet that adds a touch of oceanic elegance to your space. The deep blue evokes calm, peace, and tranquility, like a quiet moment by the sea. It's perfect for creating a spa-like atmosphere in your bathroom, a place to unwind and let the stresses of the world melt away. Indulge in the luxury of serenity. For those who dare to be different, we have this show-stopping, vibrant red toilet. Red is the color of passion, energy, and excitement. It demands attention and sparks conversation. If you're ready to break free from the ordinary and embrace your bold, fearless self, this is the toilet for you. Let's transition to something softer with this utterly charming pastel pink toilet. Pastel pink is the epitome of femininity, grace, and innocence. It evokes feelings of tenderness and tranquility. It's perfect for creating a serene and inviting bathroom, a space to relax and recharge. Let your inner beauty shine through. Our next stop takes us into nature with this grounding forest green toilet. Green is the color of nature, growth, and harmony. It brings peace, balance, and renewal. This deep, earthy green creates a sense of sanctuary in your bathroom, a place to reconnect with nature. Find your inner peace. Prepare to be enthralled with this magnificent royal purple toilet. Purple evokes royalty, luxury, and nobility. It's a color of mystery, wisdom, and creativity. This deep, rich shade adds drama and sophistication to any bathroom. Get ready for a jolt of energy with this vibrant, bright orange toilet. It's like a shot of espresso for your bathroom. Orange inspires enthusiasm, creativity, and warmth. It uplifts and encourages social connection. Perfect for those who love to make a statement and stand out. Imagine being transported to a pristine beach with this stunning turquoise toilet. It's like a mini vacation for your senses. Turquoise evokes peace, tranquility, and serenity. It's associated with healing and good luck. Perfect for creating a spa-like atmosphere in your bathroom. For those who appreciate understated elegance, we present this sleek black toilet. Black is timeless, versatile, and effortlessly chic. It adds drama and sophistication to any bathroom. This bold choice is for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Make a statement with your design choices. We end our journey with one more burst of sunshine. This sunny yellow toilet is for those who believe in happiness and good vibes. Your bathroom should reflect you, a space to express your unique personality. Be bold, be daring, and create a bathroom that sparks joy every time you step inside. Thank you for joining me on this colorful journey. I hope you're inspired to add personality to your bathrooms. Remember, life is too short for boring spaces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vibrant content. Let me know in the comments which colorful toilet is your favorite. Until next time, keep your bathroom as bright as your smile.